20.
Lord, series of orders by your lordships. We have a very limited release.
This person, if once he was not continued till the end of last year, well, obviously he's accepted that he's a tainted candidate. There's a question of you're saying now I'm a PhD, I did this, I did that, I was never a tainted
With
candidate.
the first exam, or please see page 390.
Unfortunate situation in our country, Mr. Gupta, is that PhD holders also work as attenders in the High Court. I did have one attender who was a PhD holder in the Hyderabad High Court. That is the sorry state of affairs in this country.
He just wants to.
That doesn't mean that merely because you're a PhD holder, you straight away say, I have all clean antecedents, I'm not a tainted candidate.
He has spoken, no, just give me 1 minute only 1 minute. I have spoken to him, he has spoken to Mr. Mondal. 1 minute. Just please have 390. Lord, limited grievance, I just want to bring his grievance to your lordship's notice, Lord. If your lordship thinks it can be granted, 390. This is the learned single judge's order in Sampa Ghosh, basis which it has been held that since your lordships have upheld Sampa Ghosh, court will not interfere.
390.
390, my lord. Your lordship's order of 29th August 25 is extracted in the last part of the page. We have brought the order also. I will read this, Lord, extracted portion. As we have already directed that the list of tainted candidates should be placed in the public domain within a period of 7 days, with our order dated 28/8/25 passed in SLP. We also take on record statement of learned senior counsel appearing for the commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test scheduled to be held on 7/9 and 14/9. I am just stopping here, Lords. This was the only object of, Lords, the people who came to your lordship, that they wanted to appear in the subsequent examination. Therefore, I have also been knocked out by saying that you cannot appear in the subsequent examination. Lords, I have accepted that position. The only thing which has remained unaddressed is that, Lords, I was tainted in the first exam and I have not appeared in the second exam. Now, this so-called taint without being any adjudication on the taint is coming in my way, my lords, in my other pursuits also. No. For that, my lord, we just want to do something, whatever your lordship may permit us, Lord. The list of tainted candidates, we also gave liberty only to that person. There was one lady. Yes, before Justice Basat's judgment, setting aside the selection, she had already filed, not the visibly handicapped lady. There was another candidate who filed a writ petition saying that I should not be included in the tainted list. This is the reason why I have been given one extra mark. The High Court said, because of Justice Basat's judgment and thereafter our judgment, that writ petition need not be adjudicated. She is the only one, we said, because she filed it before the entire process was set aside. Her claim that she is not a tainted candidate needs to be adjudicated on merits. She is the only one. If you file it after, where's the question? I'm only saying 2 sentences more. The very fact that you quietly accepted the fact that you were not being continued in service till December 2025 clearly shows that you had nothing to say on the issue. Only 2 sentences. You find no good ground and reason to interfere with the impugned judgment passed by the High Court, the specially petitions according. No, lordships have kept it back. I just wanted to say 2 sentences. Let the file. We are not going to interfere. I'm only saying I am neither a witness nor an accused in the CBI case. I have to live with too many candidates. Each of them will have a different story to tell. We are not going to. Lord, I am not an accused. Who do I go to prove that I was not tainted? I have lost my job, Lord. Good or bad, you have now got that label. You'll have to live with it. But Lord, at least it will teach you not to pay for a job in future. Lordships are right. Lordship, Lord, the first judgment and the second judgment only relate to the West Bengal first exam and the second exam. This taint remains with me forever without there being any adjudicated mechanism. The taint is only that you bribe someone to get a job, that's all. Bribing in this country is not really considered a taint anymore. But nobody has adjudicated that I gave. It was some OMR sheets which have been found, Lord, because of the commission. It might even be considered a qualification if you want to take to a different career. Lord, so they will not say anything. OMR sheets have been lost. We were anyway. Lord, can I withdraw this? No. We don't permit withdrawal also. As your lordship. 21.